Hi guys! So today we're going to continue our lesson from the other previous day of using perimeters and areas of similar figures. We're going to look at two questions together, and the first one is, a swimming pool is similar in shape to a volleyball court. So we have the two figures here. Find the perimeter P and the area of the pool. So notice, because these two are similar, we can use the ratio of corresponding side lengths to write and solve proportions to find the perimeters and the area of the pool. We do not have the perimeter and the area of the pool. We do have the area of the perimeter of the court, the volleyball court. And what we have are these two corresponding dimensions or corresponding sides. So we can highlight, we need to find perimeter P and the area A of the pool. That's what we're looking for. And what we know is that we have 18 yards for the width of the swimming pool, 10 yards for the width of the court, volleyball court, and the area and the perimeter of the volleyball court. So let's set up the proportions. We're going to set up proportions for the perimeter, and then we're going to set up the proportions for the area. So let's first start with the perimeter. We know because they're similar, we can say that the perimeter of the court over the perimeter of the pool is equal to the width of the court over the width of the pool. So notice they're corresponding. Then, and this is a continuation from the other video tutorial that you already watched. We know perimeter of the court is given right here, 60 yards. Over perimeter of the pool, we do not know, so we're going to use the letter P. Equals the width of the court. Width of the court is right here, 10 yards. And then the width of the pool is 18, so 10 over 18. What we're looking for is P, so we're going to cross multiply. And we get 10P is equal to 60 times 18 is 1080. Then what we're going to do is we need to get P alone, so we need to divide by 10 on both sides, and P is equal to 108 yards. Make sure that you put the units. And that's it for the perimeter. Now we're going to do the same thing, but now we're going to square because we're looking at the area. So we have area of the court, which is given, 200, over the area of the swimming pool, that's what we're looking for, is equal to the same thing, width of the court over the width of the pool, but we're going to square it. That's the key for the area. So area of the court is 200, and then over A, because we do not know, and that's what we're looking for, is equal to the same thing, width of the court and then width of the pool, but we're going to square. And here, I'm going to leave the left side alone as it is, 200A over A is equal to, we're going to distribute the exponent, and we talked about this in the previous lesson, 10 times 10, which is 10 squared, is 100, and then 18 times 18 is 324. Then we're going to cross multiply. We get 100A is equal to 64,800. We divide by 100 on both sides to get A is equal to 648 yards squared. Make sure you write that square. We're talking about area, so we have to square the units. And here we can just cross off the zeros to make it easier for you. And that's really it. So we found the perimeter of the pool and the area of the pool using that the two figures are similar. Question number 2 is the two figures are similar. Find X if the ratio of the perimeters is 2 to 3. That's how you read this, 2 to 3. And we're given the two similar figures right here. One, we do not know the dimension of this, which is X. And then the other, the bigger figure, has 9 as the dimension. And whenever you see a colon, that means you're looking for that's given the ratio. So let's use that. So we're going to set up a proportion. 2 over 3, we can write the ratio as 2 over 3, is equal to we're comparing small to big figures, a small figure to the big figure, so x over 9. And what we do is cross multiply. So 2 times 9 and then 3 times x, which is 3x is equal to 18. We divide on both sides by 3, and 3 cancels out to 1, so x is equal to 6. And that's it. So that's it for today's lesson. Very short. I hope this made sense. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure that you reach out to me again. I'm just reiterating. I message me on Schoology or email me. We can set up Zoom. You can also follow me at 4-Minute Math on Instagram and check out my YouTube channel. We have a lot of other math videos to help you get better. See you next time. Bye.